Hello everyone and welcome to home game today, which is home tennis. So what I want you to practice doing is hitting the ball off of the bounce. So let the ball bounce on the floor and then hit it forwards to your opponent. If you can let it bounce and get it to your partner, you get a point. If your partner can return the ball, then they get a point. You can share the points together. Okay, the idea is that you're learning to let the ball bounce and return it every time you hit it. You can obviously try and play a little game like this and try and get a rally, but you can also, if you're finding it hard to get a rally like this, just play the ball on the floor and just keep hitting it backwards and forwards with each other, having a rally like that.